Hello guys, how are you all? Must be fine. Yesterday I was playing with my friends and suddenly their parents called them up and they all went. But everybody was in so hurry and they forgot their things, their belongings with me. All their things are with me now. So I show you. This is Ria's box. She has forgotten here. Mina's water bottle. This is Simpy's hanky. Rohan's fruit box. And this is Pia's hair clip. She also has forgotten it here. This is Roma's doll. We were playing with it. And this is Gagan's doll. But see, Gagan's doll's hair is long, right? And see, what is this? This is dog. And who has forgotten it? This is Rudra's doggy. The dog is brown, but dog's ears are black. You can see dog's ears are black. So here I have shown you many things which my friends have forgotten, and I have shown you everything. So students, here what I have shown you, what I have told you is the things, the belongings of my friends. Belongings means things जो किसी की होती हैं, right? The things that are possessed by someone else, the things that belongs to others, कि वो किसी और की थी. जब हम किसी और की चीज़ों की बात करते हैं या अपनी चीज़ की बात करते हैं, किसी भी पर्सन के बारे में बताते हैं कि ये उसकी बिलोंगिंग थी, तब हम उस पर्सन के साथ क्या करते हैं? उस पर्सन के नेम के साथ हम अपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? एज आई टोल्ड, रियाज, मोनूज, Sam's, Rohan's, right? So when we talk about the possession, जब हम belonging की, possession की बात करते हैं, किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो उसकी है, तब हम उस person के name के साथ apostrophe s ऐड करते हैं, right? And वो जो apostrophe s है, वो हम या तो पर्सन्स के साथ ऐड करते हैं, बर्ड्स के साथ ऐड करते हैं और एनिमल्स के साथ ऐड करते हैं. वी डू नॉट यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी एस विद द थिंग्स, राइट? हम थिंग्स के साथ अपोस्ट्रोफी एस कभी भी यूज नहीं करते. अपोस्ट्रोफी एस इज यूज्ड विद द पर्सन्स, बर्ड्स नेम, पर्सन्स नेम एंड द एनिमल्स, राइट? सो नाउ we use apostrophe s to show the possession, belonging, कि वो चीज़ किसकी है. And apostrophe s is used with only persons, animals and birds. So what is apostrophe s? This is apostrophe s. You can see here, right? Apostrophe s. So students, here I have example. Parrot of Soha can speak. Whose parrot is this? Soha's. So we will write Soha's. We have written here Soha, and now I am going to add apostrophe s here. We always add apostrophe s with the names of the people. Soha's parrot can speak. So parrot belongs to Soha, right? Parrot किसका है? सोहा का. So सोहा का. So that का word जो है हिंदी में होता है, उसी का हमने apostrophe s इंग्लिश में बना दिया, right? Soha's parrot, सोहा का parrot, right students? And remember this thing, we always use apostrophe. This apostrophe on the head of the letter, not in the foot, right? If you are going to put this apostrophe in the foot, it will become comma. This is not comma, this is apostrophe, right? So apostrophe is always used on the head of the letter, not in the foot. अगर आप यहाँ पे इसको लगा रहे हो, it means you are putting comma, not the apostrophe. Right, students? So some more examples are here. Let us do them. The cow of Gopi. So गोपी का पोजीशन क्या है, उसकी बिलोंगिंग क्या है, काउ. किसकी है, गोपी की, राइट. सो अब ये जो पोजीशन है, काउ है, वो गोपी का पोजीशन है. सो हाउ वी विल राइट हियर, गोपीज, गोपी, we have written gopi. Now apostrophe s, gopi's cow, right. Next is dash dress is long. Whose dress, Meena. Meena dress, no. How we will write it, Meena. First we will write the full name of the person, Meena. Now add apostrophe s, Meena's dress. These are dash books. Now we are talking about the books. Whose books, किसकी है, माला. So these are Mala books. It is wrong. These are Mala's books. Right here Mala, apostrophe s, Mala's books. Giraffe neck. Do we write it the same way? No. Giraffe's neck. Write giraffe. Add apostrophe and s. Giraffe's neck. Next is eagle eyes. So how we will write it? Eagle is already written over here, E-A-G-L-E. So add here apostrophe and s. Eagle's eyes. Elephant trunk. And before it there is one more, baby diaper. Baby diaper. Baby's diaper. Right? Elephant trunk. Elephant, apostrophe s, it will become elephant's trunk. So when we talk about the things, to whom do they belong to, किसकी हैं, तब हम ये शो करने के लिए कि वो किसकी हैं, हम उस पर्सन के साथ या एनिमल के साथ क्या लगा देते हैं, apostrophe s ऐड कर देते हैं. That shows the position of the person, right. Now I have given you example of the persons also, of the animal also, and of the birds also. So students, whenever you talk about the position of the things, जैसे आप बोलते हो ना कि ये तो मेरी सिस्टर की कार है या मेरे पापा की कार है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, दिस इज माई फादर्स कार, माई सिस्टर्स बैग, माई मॉम्स ड्रेस, राइट, माई ग्रैंडफादर्स स्पेक्टिकल्स. तो जब भी आपने किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करनी है कि वो किसकी है, तब हम उस पर्सन के साथ अपोस्ट्रोफी एस ऐड कर देते हैं, राइट. So you have to watch this video carefully.